Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for lemon and thyme chicken. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now let's get straight into this. We're going to take 2 onions and we're going to slice them into rings. These rings are about 1/2 inch or 1 centimetre thick. Now we're going to take a baking tray, we're going to spray it with some low calorie oil, and then to that we're going to add the onion rings. Now on top of that there we're going to sprinkle over some dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, just use sprigs, but I don't at this time of year, so I just use the dried thyme. Now we take our chicken legs and we just give them a seasoning with salt and pepper on both sides. So as always folks, the ingredients and how to make this are in the description box below. Then we take the baking tray with the onions on it and we just set the seasoned chicken legs on top. Pop that to the side for a couple of minutes just till we make our dressing. So with our dressing we take 2 lemons and just squeeze the juice out of them. We transfer the lemon juice into a bowl. And to that we add some balsamic vinegar. Then some crushed fresh garlic. Give that a quick mix around. And then we'll bring our chicken back in. So just pour the glaze over the top of the chicken. And then we'll take it over to a preheated oven, which is 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan. Cook the chicken for about 40 minutes until it's fully cooked through, with a temperature of about 75 centigrade inside. Baste the chicken about every 15 minutes just to make sure that it's nice and juicy. And our chicken Maryland is ready to serve. So first of all, onto our plate we'll just add our braised onions. These will be full of flavour from the lemon, the thyme and the juices from the chicken. Then on top of that there we're just going to set our chicken Maryland. Now you can serve this with vegetables or potatoes if you wish. I've just served mine with Mediterranean style couscous. Now folks, if you've liked this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my further videos and thanks for watching.